This is a really momentous occasion. About 5-6 years ago, Jeffrey and I were reading a book about Whole Foods. When we read this book, we were looking at how this company went from just selling groceries to asking themselves, can they do better? Can they give back to this world? And Jeffrey and I looked at each other and said, can we do better? What if? Could we dream more? And 5 or 6 years later, we've put in thousands of hours in our community giving back, planting trees all over the world. And today we are happy to commemorate that Phillip Jeffries has planted over 143,000 trees.
And what is a tree? It's such a great symbol for Phillip Jeffries. See, first of all, we're combating global warming, climate change. And what is a tree? It is the world's, it is the Earth's natural way of cleansing the air. And at the same time, it's a great symbol for Phillip Jeffries. Think about it, the roots going into the earth, producing an amazing, stable company. And yet a tree grows every year, just as we intend to grow, and as you all said, become the world's best wall covering company. We're commemorating something awesome. I'd like to thank everybody on the PJ Plants team, and especially Morgan and Alicia for doing a great job. And now, with James's help, let's do this. Ready?